Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about descriptive and limiting adjectives. Adjectives means describes or modifies noun or pronouns. Adjectives also talks about the kind, the size, or color of a noun or a pronoun. Example, that is a fast car. Fast is an adjective and car noun. Okay, these are the example of the adjectives color. Orange, red, yellow, blue. And the size, big, small, huge, tiny. Shape, round, square, oval, triangular. Height, tall, short, gigantic, dwarf-like. Weight, heavy, light, lean, lightweight. And texture, rough, smooth, coarse, and silky. Examples of descriptive adjectives. An eagle has a pointed beak. Pointed adjective, and it modifies the beak or noun. Okay. Father drives a new car. New adjective and car noun. Another example, the butcher will cut the meat with a sharp knife. Sharp, descriptive adjective, knife is a noun. The boy is carrying a heavy bag. Heavy is an adjective and bag is a noun. The sleepy baby is in the crib. Sleepy, adjective. Baby is noun. The linking verbs am, is, and are connect the adjectives to the nouns or pronouns they describe. Examples, these mangoes are sweet. Are is the linking verb and sweet is an adjective. The baby is sleepy. Is the linking verb and sleepy is an adjective. Mario's bag is purple. Linking verb is and purple is an adjective. The words some, two, and many are examples of limiting adjectives. Examples. Mario returned 2 pencils he borrowed. 2 is a limiting adjective. Some pupils followed their teachers in the classroom. Some is the limiting adjective. The articles A, an, and the are also limiting adjectives. They are placed before nouns. Examples: a man, a hat, a pencil, a cat, a teacher, a book. And when to use an apple, an island, an umbrella, an egg, an article, an hour. In the definite article the used for very specific nouns, not just any pencil but the yellow pencil, the blue dog, the black cat, the chair which is next to the couch. The can be used with singular objects. The purple scarf, or plural, the dogs. Thank you very much, grade 3, for listening. God bless and see you again.